Beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen. Happy and blessed Friday. I just want to shout out happy anniversary to my sister-in-law in Jamaica and my brother. I wish you all happiness, good health, long life, and many more to come. Love you both. I just want to shout out happy birthday to my brother, Silburn. His birthday is on the 16th of December, but this is my last video for Christmas until the new year. So bro, I just want to wish you a happy birthday when it comes. And may the Lord bless you with good life, good health, and happiness. I want to shout out happy birthday to my nephew, Hernandez, whose birthday is on the 12th of December. Enjoy your day. Love you. I just want to wish all my YouTube family and friends near and far all over the world a happy Christmas and a happy new year. I hope 2023 will be a better year for us all. Okay, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to prepare and cook prawns served with yellow rice and steamed vegetables. Let's get started. Guys, right here I'm using 2 packs of prawns and I'm just showing you the size. So I'm using 2 packs of this. If you're cooking for a big family, obviously you're gonna need a lot more. My prawns is already washed. As you can see, it's all clean and prepared, ready for seasoning. So I'm just gonna wash my hands and then I'll show you how to season my prawns. So I'm going to start it off with my tropical seasoning. I'm not going to over season my prawns, so I'm just going to use a small amount. Let's say less than half a teaspoon. I'll be using my fish seasoning. I'm going to use a teaspoon of fish seasoning. I already told you that you can purchase this seasoning from any supermarket, your local grocery store, or you can also order it online. I'm just using a bit of ground black pepper. I'm also using a bit of crushed chilies to add some heat. If you like it very fiery, then you can add some more. So I'm gonna get straight into seasoning. Yes, my prawns is all seasoned, they're looking good and it smells really good. All these are my ingredients, what I'm going to use in my prawns to bring the flavor out. So right here I've got some white onions and spring onions. Over here, some crushed garlic with thyme. Over here is just some carrots and vegetable peppers, red and yellow. So guys, over here, I've already cooked my yellow rice off the camera. In case you're wondering how comes I didn't show you how to prepare and cook my yellow rice, I already upload videos. So all you have to do is have a browse through my channel and you will see this video. I cook it off camera just to save time. Right here, I'm doing my steamed vegetables to go with my meal. My vegetable is cooking. I'm gonna let it cook for about 10 minutes. I do not want it to be too soft and soggy. I want it to have a bit of crunch to it. So I'm just gonna give it 10 minutes and then I'll turn the fire off. Hey guys, I've just put some butter to melt. And I'm gonna use this butter to cook my prawns. So once my butter is melted, then I'm gonna put my prawns in. I'm gonna leave it in for 10 minutes because you don't have to cook it for long. If you cook it for long, then your prawn will end up being hard and you won't enjoy it. So once the butter is melted, I'll be putting the prawns in, okay? Butter what I'm using, but you can use butter of your own choice. I use 2 tablespoons of butter, and as you can see guys, it's all melted, so I'm now gonna go in with my prawns. So after 10 minutes, then I'm gonna remove my prawns, and then I'll be adding all my vegetables, and then I'll add back my prawns, okay? This, my prawn is looking really good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some dark soy sauce just to bring the color out. So I'm adding one tablespoonful. So look guys, look, oh my god, that is looking so good. Wow, can you see how it changed the color and it bring the flavors out? Look at the color. It's give it a really outstanding color. So I'm now going to add a bit of hot pepper sauce, and this is just to add a kick to this dish. I'm adding that amount. If you want it fiery, you can also add a bit more. So guys, this dish is very healthy and it's very delicious. And this dish is mainly for people who don't eat meat, but you know, it's a dish for everyone to enjoy. So I'm now going to remove my prawns. I'm going to put it aside, and then I'm going to add all my vegetables in. So I'm now removing my prawns from my frying pan. I'm putting in all my vegetables. I'll be cooking this for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my prawns, and then it should be ready. So guys, look at all my vegetables. Yeah, it's all looking good, really good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna add my prawns straight back into my pan, and then I'm just gonna leave it for another 10 minutes. And then this meal will be ready for serving. Look at that guys, wow. And look, my gravy is already getting thick. So I'm just leaving it for 10 minutes, and then it's all ready. Guys, look, this is looking really good. Look, nice thick gravy, no runny gravy. I don't want the runny gravy guys. Gravy have to be thick and looking rich and tasty. So guys, this meal is now ready, so I am going to turn my heat off. So meal is ready, and I'm going to serve in a little bit while. So over here, that's my steamed vegetables, broccoli and green beans, yellow rice. So I'm now going to serve this meal. Yes, my meal is ready, so I'm gonna have a taste, so please eat with me. And guys, if you enjoy this meal, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below. Like and share, subscribe to my channel. I need the love, I need the support. I love you all, and I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I hope 2023 will be a better year for us all. So I'm gonna eat now and tell you guys what I think about this delicious meal what I prepared. This is full of flavor. Wow, it just melts away in my mouth. Absolutely delicious. Really delicious. Really nice. So guys, just remember to leave your comment, and if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button put on your notification bell so that when I upload a video, you will be notified. Thanks once more for the love and the support. See you all in 2023. Peace, love, mouth.